Hello everyone, welcome to the Exampreptool. We are thrilled to announce that we are launching the brand new course which is industry ready course on data structures and algorithms and Oracle database with a real-time project. Okay. So here you will be learning directly from the working professionals who are working in the top product based companies and also working under the guidance of Reddy Sir. Okay, the main purpose of this course is that this course we have designed to bridge the gap between the academic learning and real world industry demands, making you job ready for the high paying tech roles. Okay, so before getting into the contents, so why this course is unique, let us understand why this course is unique. Okay, you all know that all top product based companies or maybe all software companies always demand the very good problem solving skills, right? So can you think that DSA alone is enough? DSA alone is enough, right? So not only the very good problem solving skills, which is like for that DSA you are doing practice, right? So you should have always a very good skill set also. Okay, you should learn the technologies also. Not only working on data structures and algorithms, you should always have a very good technical skill set, which could be anything, right? So but in this course we are coming up with the very unique things. We have merged the very unique courses here. So in the later point of slide we will cover more in depth about those things. So let us understand before going to that, let us understand. So can you tell me, is there any project in the world without handling the data, without having the database? Can you tell me? Did you know that 99% of the all business applications rely on databases, making the database professionals role very critical, very crucial, right? And also you may be having idea that nowadays data related roles are becoming so much popular, and also they are getting very good packages, awesome packages, right? It could be data scientist, it could be data engineer, it could be data analyst, or it could be database developer, or maybe sometimes the business intelligence developer who are working more on data, right? Power BI kind of things, right? So when the market demand is more for the data related roles, like, so majority of the people wanted to explore more about the course, right? More about the technology. But in the market you don't find a unique course like this, including data structures and algorithms and problem solving skills and database related course with a real time project. You may be seeing a lot of courses outside in the market teaching the data structures and algorithms, and also some basic computer science fundamentals like database, what is database, and some queries and some basic things, some operating system related fundamentals and all, right? But being a computer science students, if I ask you to automate something, some task related to the database, are you able to handle it? Because you've done computer science, 4 years you spend on computer science related topics, and the database related one separate course also, subject also there. So being a computer science student, are you able to handle the large volume of data? Please question yourself. If I asked you to automate the business activities and generate some reports from the databases and all, are you able to do? Why I'm asking this question is that nowadays all majority of the work is on data only, right? So are you ready for every role that is there in the industry? Because so many times what happens is some non-computer science students also comes and learn the technologies, and they'll become a master, and they'll be going for on-site and all, right? If that is the case, can you question yourself how good you are in technologies also, along with the good problem solving skills? So that is why we have come up with a very unique course. It will meet all the requirements to the students who can work very peacefully, in the industry without any pressures. Okay, let's get into the modules. Okay, so these are the modules, these are the course structures, and these are the modules that we have. So the first, we will start with the data structures and algorithms. So here you will be having a the base from the, we will be starting from very basic, from very scratch level to the high advanced level problems. We'll start with the data structures and then algorithms, and we have combined very good set of problems where you will be having a like kind of lead code problems, you can say. And then immediately the next module is the Oracle database, professional Oracle database. Here you will be learning SQL, PLSQL, and data dynamic SQL. Along with that, you will be learning some very important tools which is related to the data loading and data unloading. You can say data importing or data exporting, which is SQL loader for loading the very high volume of data, huge volume of data into the databases within a fraction of seconds. And then one more tool which is a data export tool, UTL file packages. Okay, and then once you learn the very good amount of theory, and the theory, I mean, like we are going to include lot of real world use cases. Once you understand the good theory, good, once after getting the good knowledge, so you will have to apply that theoretical knowledge in the practically. Okay, for that we have designed the one project where we will be giving the similar kind of modules in the industry, like, so you have to solve that problems, you have to apply your theoretical knowledge practically, and you have to complete the challenges. Okay, not only the real time projects, we are also going to give you lot of fang level SQL challenges. Not only that, you are going to get a lot of problems in the data structures and algorithms. Okay, once you complete after all these things, then immediately, so we will be guiding you for resume building and interview preparation related things. We are going to take the mock interviews if you are interested. Okay, this will be comes under the career essential module. Along with that, we are also, this is our personal interest. If you are interested, based on the time, available time, so we are going to give the cloud computing basics also, along with the AWS foundations. Okay, so I believe that being a computer science student or being a software engineer, you should be all having a good idea about the cloud computing related things, cloud computing basics, I mean. Okay, and also there are so many cloud providers are there in the market. I would like Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure, and the Google GCP, and Oracle OCP, like so on. So many things are there, Alibaba's one, so many things are there. So but in this course I'm going to give you AWS foundation related concepts. And here not only AWS foundation concepts, so we will introduce to the cloud based databases. I mean, so how the modern companies manages the databases on the platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. You need to understand, right? So majority of the cases, what happens, the company is moving to the cloud, right? So if you have a cloud basics, and if you know how the cloud databases works, then it will be really useful during your work time. Okay, these are the core modules and the bonus modules of the course. Then we will enter into the course highlight. So we already discussed about this part at the initial slide. So but still, let me tell you, like, so we will be starting the course from the very scratch level, and we will be taking you to the very high advanced level, and we will leave there, and you need to solve the real world project, and you need to solve the fang level coding challenges. It could be data structures and algorithm, it could be SQL related, or it could be PLSQL related, or maybe some real world things that you not seen. I mean, like in the academics, you will be having a subject called Unix shell scripting, right? How can you automate the database activities using the Unix shell scripting? Because you may be having idea that majority of the servers, majority of the projects are running on the Unix or Linux operating system only, majority of the times. I would say more than 90%. Okay, if that is the case, if you don't have the knowledge on how to work with the Unix thing, Unix shell scripting, or maybe how to automate the things. Maybe it could be Java related, or maybe it could be the Python related things and all. It will be really difficult. So being a computer science student, I would really suggest you go and practice the little bit basic queries related to the Unix, and some script related to the Unix. Okay, so we will be focusing on more things, not only these things, and measure so many other things also. And also, if you are the person who want to do the certification in the Oracle databases, so we are going to give some certificate related information to you, some certificate related questions to you. So if you are interested, you can enroll for that the Oracle certification exam, and then you can crack easily with our guidance. And also, we are going to like focus more and more about the people who are having the career gap, because I know that there are so many people, because of some reason they're having a gap, and they wanted to start their career, but they were stuck at some point of time because of some reason. So we want to help everybody. So Reddy sir want to help as many students as possible. So we don't want to see the students struggling because of lack of guidance. So once you are doing the project, so you have to build a portfolio. Okay, so we will be helping you with all these things. Okay, and who should enroll? Who should enroll? Anybody who want to learn the subject, anybody who want to improve their skill set, anybody whoever want to enter into the IT. Okay, whether it could be BTech, BE, BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc, MTech. And also, we are also providing the one more opportunity, that the people whoever is having the career gap, if they wanted to restart their career, and if they wanted to come back to the IT, and if they wanted to implement the whatever the computer science subjects that they have learned during their academic, so this is the chance for them. So we will fill the gap properly, so that they can start their career. So everything is planned very well, so it is your chance to take that opportunity. Okay, and also one more important thing is that people who are non-IT related people, non-IT related students, maybe they are maybe doing some other jobs, and they wanted to start the IT career. So for them also, we have designed very structured way. So this course will meet all your requirements. You just need to focus on learning the subject. We are here to guide you. Okay, and also one more important thing is that once after completing this course, there are so many opportunities will be there. People with the very good problem solving skill set, and the technical, having a very good technical skills. In the outside market, you may be having idea that there are so many times that data analyst related roles, and data people who crack the data analyst roles is getting paid very high. Okay, and you will be having idea that there is so much craze for a data scientist role and data engineer roles. So if you have a very good strong foundation in databases, it will open the multiple dimensions to you. So we suggest you, along with the data structures and algorithm, please try to start databases also, and try to solve the problems in lead code and hacker rank, just like how you are doing in data structures and algorithms. There are so many SQL challenges are there in these platforms. You can explore them and you can solve them, and try to target for the high paying jobs. So our motto is to to encourage you to target for the high paying jobs, top tech jobs, top product based companies. Once you target the high paying job, high product based companies, then it will become very easy to crack the other remaining companies. Try to reach out to us for any kind of feedback or support you want. If you want any clarification or any assistance required, and if you required more information, please try to ping us on this WhatsApp number. We will give more information. Please stay tuned to this channel, and we will be coming up with a lot of things in future. Okay, thank you so much.